So you'll definitely tell me if it's good or bad.
I am gonna definitely be truthful with all of the head up, bread up, fire. Hey, talk about.
What's up, Head Brother fam? We're back. It's your girl Marsha
and Isaiah, and we got this twist that we about to put up in the mix.
This time we're back making chicken wings.
Yeah.
Lay's Wavy Ranch.
And then we got the Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Alright, we're gonna get right into this video, guys. We're gonna make it quick and we're not gonna make it long. I'm just gonna show you step by step what we do. First and foremost, clean your chicken
and wash your hands.
So it could be vinegar, lemon juice, or both like I do. Even if you just use hot water, just use something. Let's get started.
Let's get it popping.
Here. You look so pathetic. What size are those gloves?
They got to be small because they do not fit on my hand.
Look at him acting like he knows. This is probably the first time. Is this your first time marinating anything?
This ain't the first time I marinated. Now I can marinate shit. Back my grandma used to cook. I used to be in the
Back
kitchen
when he
with
was
her.
7.
Alright, what's the next move now, Marsha?
So the next move now, if you know what's up in here. Flour.
Toss them up one more time before I drop them in the bag.
So for the flour to get all up in here, what you do, you mix it up, what's the Maya say? Mix it up, stir, stir, stir.
Mix it up, stir, stir, stir. Mix it up, stir, stir, stir.
Speaking of Samaya, check out her YouTube video. Have y'all kids watching her YouTube. So my mother-in-law literally showed me this trick. You double up the pan, you add grease, and you could fry as many chicken wings as possible up in here. Now if you do this after this video, you better shout us out.
You gotta shout us out. Make sure you subscribe first, then you share. You can't subscribe and don't share. And then, just to let you know, if you really didn't know, just to check the grease, if it's hot, you just sprinkle a little bit of. Sprinkle a little bit of that.
Who taught you that?
It's just because I know how to cook, I just don't cook.
You made that up. Second batch.
It's your second batch, baby.
Let's go. So just go ahead and cut that on so it could be hot, nice and ready when you do need it.
Later that same evening.
Ooh, it looks good. That looks good, y'all. So now we're gonna let this fry for another, I'm gonna say about 10 minutes.
All right.
They're pretty much
They
done.
came to a crisp. Should we put any napkins in that basket?
Of course.
And when we drop them in the oven, they're gonna be so much more crispy. It's gonna be so amazing.
You're an idiot.
It's gonna be so amazing.
Woo! does look good, I'm never gonna lie.
Because when you're cooking in the kitchen, make sure you always turn the stove off when you're done.
Especially when you have a gas stove. Safety first. Alright, y'all, so we got this sizzling and stuff. You wanna taste one right now?
Oh.
Let's go ahead and taste one. Alright.
You gonna dip yours in some ranch or something? Okay.
So let's go ahead and taste it. It's hot.
What's hot, boy?
Mm-hmm.
Hot. It's still hot. Mmm. It's all hot.
You're an idiot, though.
It's good, though.
It's good. Hey, guys, so now I'm going to show you guys up close and personal what I'm going to do with these wings. So they're a little bit hot, but like not sizzling hot. So I'm going to dip them in hot sauce. And then dip them in here.
They look like they gonna come out nice and crispy though, like nice and
so?
good. Yeah, I think they really are. What you think about them? How they look to you?
They might be good, but I think this will be the last time I ever eat them in life. That's what it looks like to me.
I understand.
My oven is at 350, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit broil, and I'm gonna do a high for about 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dip it in ranch. Here we go. Oh.
Oh, we good.
Yep.
I knew this shit was gonna add something. Alright, they don't look bad.
No. Okay, so these are the ranch wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here
Throw them in the oven.
for like 5 minutes as well.
Head up, bread up, fam. Y'all ready for this review?
Are you ready to taste this?
I'm ready to taste this though. I'm thinking the ranch wings gonna be the best.
Why?
They just look fire. They just look fire, you know.
Okay, so first let's tell them what we have. We have hot sauce, cheese. And then we have ranch. Which one you want to try first? You ready?
All right. That's right.
Not bad.
Yeah, man, a little bit of ranch now.
Not bad.
That's great.
How was it bad?
It's 2 times crunchy though. I give them a good 8. 7.
I give it a 7.
7. I'm gonna give it a 7.
I give it a 7.
Cause it's not whack at all.
It's not bad.
But it's not on everyday food.
No. So you wanna try the hot wings?
Cheetos. The hot Cheetos.
Let's go. Oh my God, let's go.
I think it needs some hot sauce.
No, I'm tasting it now.
It's straight. I thought it was gonna be way hotter than this though.
I'm
I'm
tasting it
getting
now.
some hot sauce.
It's not like strong like how you think, but I taste it. It's good. It's not bad.
7.
7. Now if you were to choose between hot wings,
I'm choosing the ranch.
ranch,
I like the ranch, but let me taste one with the cheese though.
let me taste the cheese.
I seen Shay do this.
Mm-hmm.
And Jenny do it.
It's not bad.
I ain't gonna lie.
It tastes.
That really wasn't bad.
Let me see.
That was good, honestly. Let me be truthful. It tastes good in cheese.
It's not a strong hot Cheeto flavor, but
if you was
can
going to a
taste
Super Bowl party and you had these wings, people would eat them up.
They would eat them up.
They'll eat them up. Straight up. And you cook them just like how we cook them. Keyword, we. Don't forget about me.
I'm glad that I tasted them. Woo! But it's not gonna be something where I'm like, well, let me rate those hot. It's too much. First of all, it's too much. It's too much when it comes to like preparing and all that extra stuff. But you guys should try it. If I were to choose between the ranch and the hot Cheetos, I'm choosing the hot Cheetos.
That's what's up.
I feel like I'm getting fat off these.
I feel like what?
And then
like,
with these, it's just
like
it feels like hot chicken wings.
this is not something you eat every day. This is not something you put on the menu. But it's good though. I ain't gonna flex, it's good.
Yeah, like that.
Head up, bread up, fam. Look at this wing, man. That's their wrench. That's their wrench, more fork. Look at that wrench. I know y'all wanna bite. No, you wanna bite, what? Yeah.
They don't even look all that good.
You don't think so?
Mm-mm.
It look like Parmesan on top. That look like Parmesan on top to you? And they get the little torch and that's what it look like to me.
But anyways, guys, I'm a little sleepy and I'm a little, you know, what I want to say is that. What?
She dragging it out. Her ass is tired of something.
I'm
Hey,
sleepy.
all we gonna say is head up, bread up, fam. This is another challenge that went successful. We appreciate y'all tuning in.
Hot Cheeto challenge, extreme hot.
Fried chicken, ranch wavy Lay's fried chicken with the nice sprinkles on top, you know what I'm saying? With the 3 different dipping sauces, ranch, cheese, and hot sauce. It was great. We appreciate y'all for tuning in. Head up, bread up, fam. We'll see you again
That was long too.
in another video.
That was long too. You talk about my stuff was long. That was
I'm
long.
saying. Hey, well, I'll just let y'all know. We'll see y'all
Guys,
again.
if you want us to do more stuff like
Hold
this.
on. If you want us to do more things like this, just comment below. Subscribe, share, and make sure you tune in next time, guys.
What's our exit? We don't have no exit. What's our exit?
It's head up, bread up, fam. We will be back.
No. Damn.
Hold on. I'm gonna end it with a quote I thought of while I was in the shower. All geniuses become wealthy by chasing their dreams. And that was all me. Just think about it. That went hard?
No.
What you mean? What I'm saying is don't switch it up.
All genius. What did you say?
All geniuses become wealthy by chasing their dreams.
That's common sense. So okay, what's the
Stick
quote?
to your fucking dream. Chase your dream. Whatever it is that you like to do, stick to it. Don't worry about what somebody telling you.
I get it. Okay, that's fine.
But you ain't even got to put that in there though, because we elaborated a little
That's
bit
fine.
too much on this.
That's fine.
Bye, motherfuckers.